But most of all, I'm gonna miss my mom and dad, who love me very much.
When is he leaving?
Hey everybody, it's Ned over My Philippine Screams, and as I mentioned in previous videos, I was going to do a video of odds and ends of things that I picked up this year in the United States to bring back to the Philippines. So that's what this video is. I'm going to go through them pretty quickly because nobody wants to be bored with long harangues about each and every individual item. So let's get right into it. First up, boxers. Yes, exciting stuff. I wear boxers most of the time in the Philippines. It's hot, it's humid there. When I'm at the house, I'm in my boxers. I'm always in my boxers, and usually boxers with a tank top. It's what I wear. It's my daily uniform. So I got some boxers. Hat. I picked up this hat because it was an add-on item with Amazon. It was only $7.99 as an add-on item, and I think it's actually pretty cool. So I decided to keep it. Zipper slider bags. I got different sizes of these. You can actually get these in the Philippines, but they're expensive. And they don't like the brands that they have. The quality's not that great. So I always pick these up. These are gallon size. I also got quart size and the smaller ones also. An electric toothbrush. Yeah, baby. My gums aren't doing that great. I used to smoke. I smoked for a long time and I smoked a lot. So this is Gum Care electric toothbrush. This is my first time using electric toothbrush. I love it. The only thing is, I learned about this about electric toothbrushes. When you're brushing your teeth, never pull the toothbrush while it's running outside of your mouth because the toothpaste is going to go flying all over the place. This is a Sonic Care. Don't get the Oral-B's because those are only 110 volts if you're in the Philippines. Make sure you get one of these because they're 220 volts. Cool t-shirts. I'm wearing one of these t-shirts right now. These are actually Target brand Champion. The material is called C9. It's polyester and spandex. It's super light. It's very breathable. I like it a lot. The only problem is I'm worried about how it's going to be like with odor and everything because it's all synthetic. It's not cotton. But these are about $14 each. And I picked up like 6 of these. So Target Champion. A guitar processor. I'm planning on getting an electric guitar when I get back to the Philippines. I like playing guitar, and I got a little Zoom G1XON. This is a really popular and inexpensive. I got this for like 50 bucks used on eBay. Guitar processor. It's highly ranked in Amazon, so I'm going to be jamming out. I also got a Tamron 18200 lens for my Nikon D5100. This one's got vibration control, vibration reduction, because I noticed my shots were getting a little vibraty. BioShock for my PS4. This is the full, it's got BioShock 1, 2, and the latest one. Love it. Got some, what do you call it? Smells good. Got some Maximum Aerospatel. This is for Brian, actually. Brian requested this. I was only supposed to get 2 bottles of it, and I actually only got 4, but he said it's okay. He'll still pay for it. This is one of those, what do you call it, muscle massage devices. Somebody requested that I get this, and for some reason they don't want me giving their name. Brian had no problem with me giving, you know, the cologne, but for some reason the guy didn't want me mentioning this. So I got his muscle massager thing. Also got 16 gigabytes of RAM for my desktop. Right now it's running 8 gigabytes, so I upped it to 16 gigabytes. Life is good. I got some herbal tea, peppermint flavor, because I'm trying to cut down on the stains on my teeth. So hopefully the peppermint herbal tea will do that. I actually got like 6 boxes of this stuff. Anybody needs herbal tea, just come see me. Also got fish oil. I also got my vitamins. I get these every year. I take my fish oil. I've been taking that for many, many, many years. Also got intradental floss-ups. These are good for your teeth. I got, these are what, like these are like $3, and there's 150 of them. So you get 3 containers of them, and you can do your flossing and your picking and all that stuff. It's important to do that every day. Also, as I mentioned before, I got a Kindle Paperwhite for somebody. It's Pasalubong, and it's female, or she's female. I shouldn't say it's female. That's not politically correct. And so, of course, I got a lavender pink cover for it. Also picked up a prime lens. This is a Yongnuo YN 50mm f1.8, and I took some test shots with it already, and the bokeh on it is amazing, and it's cheap. It was like 50 bucks. Also picked up a year's supply of deodorant. Went down to CVS and got myself some Old Spice Fresh. I don't like antiperspirant. I like deodorant. So this is what I get. Same thing, Amazon, 81 millimeter. Same. Also on Amazon, I got some aspirin, 81 milligrams. I take one of these every day. I guess it's only really effective if you've had one heart attack already. It's not good in preventing, I don't know. I just take it anyways. They're not that expensive. Also, as pasalubong, I picked up a bunch of Toblerone and M&Ms. Now, I know the M&Ms are going to make it. They're going to survive because it's summertime over there. I hope my Toblerone makes it. It might turn into a freaking melted chocolate shaft. Speaking of shafts, I also picked up some Mach 3 razors on Amazon, and also got a replacement head for my electric razor. Got some cargo shorts. Everybody knows how important cargo shorts are in the Philippines. You got to have deep front pockets, and you got to have secured side pockets. But this is something I wear every day in the Philippines on my cargo shorts with my boxer shorts underneath it. And finally, last but not least, I got some more sheets. If you go to Target or you go to Walmart, you'll see they got these sheet sets, and they're like, I think they're 100% cotton. It's like t-shirt material. It's really soft, it's really light, and in my experience, it's perfect for the Philippines. I got two pairs, two full sets of these at the house right now, and I picked up a third set at Target. And the best thing about them, a full queen size set, is they're only like $22. So don't get caught up in thread count and all that stuff and all these when you're buying sheets. I don't like the sheets they sell in the Philippines. They're not that comfortable. They feel rough and abrasive no matter what the count of the thread is. So I count on these. At Target, for only $21, get yourself a full set and bring them with you. It also makes good padding in your luggage because I'm bringing like laptops and cell phones and all that other stuff. Also, I did pick up two laptops, two ThinkPad T440S's, and I also have Samsung S7 Edges that I'll be bringing back with me probably for pasalubong to give out to people that I love, or to sell. I'm not sure. Probably sell. So that's it. That's all the stuff that I bought this year when I was in the United States. I will be returning to the Philippines actually tomorrow night. I got to get out of here around 2 o'clock in the morning. My flight leaves at like 6 a.m. And it's one of those 32-hour jammies, and it's going to be a whole lot of fun. I get to Cebu, I get to Mactan at about 11:30 at night, get to the hotel around 12 o'clock, crash, get up the next morning and take a bus down to Dumaguete because the ferries, the ocean jet, won't let you bring on luggage. All right, that's my complaint for the day. That's all the stuff I got. Take care of yourself. Until next time. This is Ned over at My Philippine Dreams. Keep dreaming. And again, this hat on Amazon is an add-on item, only $7.99 as an add-on item. Or is it $9.99? I'm not sure. Peace out. But most of all, I'm going to miss my mom and dad who love me very much.
When is he leaving?